go.
Going up.
Okay, Marcus. They gotta have some data pointing us to their spying post.
Just tell me where to go to get it.
That's the thing, Em. They're clever bastards. Looks like they've separated up all the data. I don't know which server to hack.
Oh, great. So glad you waited until I'm inside to discover this little fact.
Get up to the antenna on the roof and put a transceiver on it. If I can track the data coming in, I can figure out which server is which.
Sure, no problem. Go up on the roof, place a transceiver. Got nothing better to do.
15. FBI headquarters.
Sicarios on the way to rematar these pinche pendejos.
Oh God.
Down over here!
Hey, dog, you better get him quick or he's...
Go find it.
Come on then.
Squad, we have a possible hostile in your area.
911. State your emergency, please.
Under fire! Goddamn focus! He's bleeding!
Cover!
Cover!
Away!